Imagine waking up one morning, opening Twitter or TikTok, and seeing everyone talking about an unknown cryptocurrency. In a matter of hours, its price skyrockets by 200%, 500%, or even 1,000%. Thousands of people buy, driven by the fear of missing out. And a few days later, the price plummets, leaving many with huge losses. What you witnessed wasn't just speculation. It was a digital bubble, a unique phenomenon of our era, where social media, psychology, and financial technology create price explosions never before seen in history. Today, we're going to explore how social media fuels cryptocurrency bubbles, why they occur, what's behind this collective effect, and what lessons they hold for the future of money. Part 1. The Power of a Tweet. January 2021. Elon Musk tweets a single word, Doge. Within minutes, the price of Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency created as a joke, begins to skyrocket. There were no technological changes, no financial news, just a tweet. This isn't an isolated case. The same thing happened with Shiba Inu, Pepe Coin, and even Bitcoin at different stages. A simple social media post can move billions of dollars in minutes. Why? Because we live in a world where information travels faster than ever, and where millions of retail investors are connected, ready to act in seconds. Part 2. Psychology of the digital bubble. Behind every bubble are human emotions. Social media acts as an amplifier of those emotions. FOMO, fear of missing out. When you see everyone else making money, your brain screams at you to get in now. Herding effect. If millions are buying, it must be a good idea, right? Social confirmation. Seeing memes, viral threads, and YouTubers repeating the same thing reinforces the belief that the rise is real. The result? An accelerated cycle where virality creates demand. Demand drives up the price, and the price attracts even more attention on social media. Part 3. Mechanics of a digital bubble. Initial spark. A tweet, a meme, or an influencer talking about the topic. Viralization. The content spreads across Twitter, Reddit, TikTok, and YouTube. Mass euphoria. Thousands of people buy for fear of missing out. Overvaluation. The price becomes disconnected from reality. The crash. Someone sells en masse, enthusiasm subsides, and the price collapses. The fascinating thing is the speed. A real estate bubble can take years to form. A digital bubble can inflate and burst in a matter of days. Part 4. Real-life examples. GameStop, 2021. It wasn't a cryptocurrency, but it was a perfect example. A Reddit community caused the price of a nearly forgotten stock to explode. Dogecoin. From a joke to a cryptocurrency worth tens of billions. NFTs in 2021. The rush of digital images that sold for millions and then lost much of their value. Bitcoin 2017 and 2021. It didn't disappear, but it did experience surges and crashes fueled largely by viral narratives. Part 5. The hidden risks. Digital bubbles leave stories of overnight millionaires, but also of thousands of people who lost everything. Extreme volatility, quick gains, but also deadly falls. Disinformation. Anyone can spread baseless rumors. Manipulation. Whales and influencers can exploit virality for their own benefit. Part 6. Will the future of money be an eternal bubble? Some think these bubbles are just noise, temporary distortions. Others believe they're a natural part of the new financial ecosystem, a system where social media is as influential as central banks. The truth is that cryptocurrencies and digital assets will continue to exist. But as long as they're tied to the dynamics of internet virality, we must accept that digital bubbles are here to stay. Social media hasn't just changed how we communicate. It's also rewriting the rules of money. Today, a meme can be worth millions, and a tweet can move markets. The big question is, will we learn to navigate this ocean of digital bubbles, Or will we keep falling into them again and again? What do you think? Are cryptocurrencies the future of wealth or just the biggest bubble in history? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos where we uncover the secrets of the economy.